Let's make a really quick and easy little toy activity for my 9-month-old. I don't even know exactly what it's gonna be yet, but I know that I'm going to use this Clorox wipes container. Oakley is at an age where he's really enjoying taking stuff out. He hasn't really learned how to put stuff back in yet. I thought this container could be used to make a great new toy activity for him. Let's start by taking off the label. That was really easy. I'm gonna go scrub this one part with some rubbing alcohol. It's clean. I did a little garden DIY in the spring, so I'm thinking this one should be summer themed. I'm gonna go look around the house a little bit and see what I can find to put inside. I'm getting excited about this. I got a blue scarf and then some of Oakley's ocean animal bath toys. I'm gonna put the blue scarf in first and pull it out through the little wipe dispenser, just like this. You could totally just fill this whole thing with scarves and that would be a great activity. But I'm gonna add these cute little munchkin ocean animals from Target. They're in there. And that's it. Super cute, super simple, and a great activity for baby. With this silly little toy, baby can work on problem solving, motor coordination, and I can work on some speech language skills. Hey, do you want to give it a try? Yeah? Okay, here you go. I think he likes it. Be sure to follow for more mom stuff like child development tips and product reviews.